Are you tired of watching low-quality videos on Facebook? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to show you how to view high-quality videos on Facebook on your PC with the new update. First, open your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu, then click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings, where you can customize your Facebook experience. Scroll down to the Preferences section and click on Media. This is where you can adjust the settings for videos and other media content on Facebook. Now click on the option next to Video Default Quality and select HD if available. This will ensure that all the videos you watch on Facebook are displayed in high definition, giving you a much better viewing experience. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view high-quality videos on Facebook on your PC with the new update. So go ahead and try it out for yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your social media experience.